Workshops. They are very similar to training sessions where the information provided can be utilized to construct or generate plans, analyze ideas or designs that benefit people or organizations. Hello viewers of Biotecnika, welcome to this video where we are discussing 10 reasons why you must attend all workshops conducted at Biotecnika. Here we have online workshops, which are a collaborative platform for discussion, training, study, etc., where the conductor and the participants delve deeply into a particular topic. These workshops are conducted in live sessions to provide a detailed understanding of the subject. Unlike traditional training programs, an online workshop works on a deeper understanding of a topic by a medium of interactions. These live online workshops are far more interactive than conventional online meetings. Participants can join, interact, learn through practical demonstration, and also carry out activities to learn much quickly. Let's look at the points as to why the workshops are really going to be very beneficial for you. The first point is to learn new skills or knowledge in a particular area. Well, an online workshop is a basket of new opportunities and skills. You can always learn something new from other attendants. So whether you want to learn some molecular biology skill or try to know something about scientific writing or even want to get familiar with some drug discovery technique like protein-protein docking or analysis. A skill specifically can be really helpful if you want to pursue the same career. The environment is highly competitive, and to survive, you should build new skills. This can give you a competitive edge. You might even crack an interview based on that particular skill. Next point is to gain a better understanding of the subject. Now, if you have ever attended a workshop, you would know that workshops are generally topic-centric. And at Biotecnika, these particular topics are further distributed and structured in such a way that it will be easily assimilated and understood by the participants. Workshops are conducted for different audiences with different interests in the form of various programs, and they are organized in a way to provide complete information on basic theory, practical approaches, as well as industry knowledge which are related to the topic. So basic theory is very important, the foundation information which are dealt with in a very good manner at Biotecnika workshops. So this way what happens, it's a complete information about the topic. In this way, a participant can learn, evaluate, and not only that, also learn to apply this information to their work. Next point is to stay up to date with the latest developments in a particular field. Being aware of changes or updates within your industry can really help you keep ahead of the curve. In fact, it is very necessary. By proactively seeking out new information and gaining on top of trends, you will begin to arm yourself with learnings which you can apply to your career. That's why you should get hands-on experience with new techniques or technologies. No matter what your role is or what field you work in, staying on top of industry news and trends will help you gain experience, identify opportunities for growth, and also it will give you a competitive edge. To receive certification or qualifications in a particular area, you should always earn continuing education or professional developmental credits. Professional certifications, they provide excellent avenues for developing your knowledge and skill. They can help you demonstrate your interests and potential to prospective employers while building your profile for lucrative job positions. Another benefit is to improve job prospects or advance one's career. The best way to get noticed by potential employers or some scientists which you have been following, it is to exhibit your skills and knowledge and the technical depth in your resume. But many candidates do not get shortlisted for the jobs they want because of lack of technical knowledge in the desired field. So whether you are a fresher or just want to pad up your resume for getting into the workforce, or you're already in a job and are looking for a better job opportunity, then online workshops are a great platform to enhance your skills. Don't forget, there is a high demand for candidates with additional certifications. And at Biotecnika, once you have attended the workshop till the end, you do get certificates for the same. Also, you get to explore new career opportunities or directions. Career exploration can provide you with clarity about what your next steps are going to be. Whether you are a new graduate or unsure where to work, or you're already in a career but you're thinking of a new path. Until and unless you attend the different types of workshops, get to know about different subjects, subtopics, techniques, tools, then how are you going to know about these? How are you going to get exposed about this? For example, a computational biologist, they combine biological and data science expertise to interpret and present new data. A bioinformatics analyst, they assist scientists in managing, interpreting, and examining genomic and molecular data. So that's how we have different arenas and areas, like we have already conducted workshops for qPCR, flow cytometry, NGS, next-gen sequencing, then genomic and RNA-seq data analysis. So if you are attending all these workshops, imagine how many fields you're getting exposed to. So it will definitely give you clarity and help to decide about new career opportunities. Next point is network with others in the same or related fields. This, according to me, is a very important point. Because you see, online workshops are a viable medium to meet and interact with new people, and that to eminent people in the field, and develop connections with them. You meet people that share common interests, who may even help you later in your career, like any letter of recommendation or any if you want to work under them at a later stage of research field. An online platform will be an opportunity for you to create and widen your network. So you have to try to create a professional relationship, okay, like as a friend also, if that doesn't hurt, right? So at Biotecnika, we have till now we had these eminent speakers. Apart from our in-house faculty members, Dr. Shishir Singh, who is senior scientist at Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai, New Jersey, Dr. Farhan Zamir, adjunct professor at Biotecnika and also associate professor and chief scientific officer at ALVA, Dr. Aniket Bhattacharya, who is postdoctoral fellow at Rutgers University, New Jersey, Dr. Urmila Shirawat, who is a research scholar at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, New York. So you can well imagine how much it will widen your network if you know so many personalities. You will get to know them with all different workshops, different research scientists who you will be meeting them in the workshop itself. Okay, so networking, after that you can try to connect them with their professional social network like LinkedIn and stay connected with them. You can also have update on what their work is going on. You can follow their work, and if any job opportunities are opening up in the company or in the institute they're working and they're posting about it, you're also getting to know about it. Okay, but the thing is, you have to be in a connection with them. Just knowing them is not enough. You should use this to make connections with this eminent personalities, right? Then another point is to learn applications of theories. Many online workshops aim at giving practical examples based on the study topic. For example, which type of experiment you would require this NGS technique in, whether it would be for whole genome exome sequencing or targeted RNA, DNA or methyl sequencing. And you may find that designed virtual and visual lectures and the discussions that follow on various case studies, they are giving you an edge or an insight on how to apply what you have learned. Sometimes you work on a problem with your peers or assess your knowledge through some tests also. In short, you need to learn how to use your knowledge in the practical world. For example, you can see that this was a workshop conducted by Biotecnika on flow cytometry, As I mentioned before, that we cover all aspects, the basic foundations, the principles involved, and also the practical application, new techniques which are there, so you can stay updated with the recent trends, right? So whatever details are required, they are structured in subtopics as well. The principal advantages of multicolor flow cytometry, you get to know some recent in some recent updates like Cytec Aurora example, designing a complex panel for multicolor cytometers. So actually how to apply the technique in your different experiments, and not only that, where all it can be applied, like immunophenotyping, cell sorting, or what are the applications in clinical microbiology. Last but not the least, even we show you some hands-on type of training through online mode, like on calculation of gated and ungated cell population with expression pattern. So basically how to analyze your data, because even that is important. Just knowing the technique is not enough, right? So you get a all-round detail about a particular topic, so you can also learn to apply those. Another point is to get a quick clarification of questions. Yes, you have the liberty to ask n number of questions when you attend a live face-to-face lecture. So questions that are very basic, questions that you find confusing, questions regarding your own experiments which uses that particular technique, any kind of question is welcome, and not only that, they will be answered right away. So that's easier than ever, as in an online workshop, the conductor focuses more on delivery and passing on the maximum information which is related to the topic. So at Biotecnika, that is our primary objective, that the candidates leave the session with a lot and abundance of knowledge and information. And not only that, you get your doubts clarified by the experts of that field. That's more important, right? And to gain exposure to new ideas and perspectives. Everyone cannot have the same idea and similar opinions. They might differ in understanding or methodologies. That's why by attending an online workshop, you can have a plethora of remarkably unique and new perspectives. Other attendants can find your ideas unique too. So your focus should be on gathering and collecting as much information as you can. It's always good to learn something new every day. So work on adapting them into your career to have a meaningful learning or personal development experience. So there you go. These were the details of all the reasons why attending workshops are very important, especially at Biotecnika. Although attending an online workshop may be optional, but the value and significance you simply cannot overlook. Our world has transformed digitally, and studies through online mode are the new trend, and it's even better. The wide range of choices has made it easier for individuals to follow their passion, and attending online workshops at Biotecnika is just a way to take things professionally. Click like if you agree. Thank you, everyone.